When we first met Kerry and John, the original timber windows of their mid-2000s detached house in Dalgety Bay were vulnerable to the elements and had a dark stained finish on the inside. I've come back today to see how they went from peeling paint to more curb appeal. Our first advice was to keep the rosewood colour on the outside to maintain the appearance of their home. But inside there's a big difference. By changing the interior finish to brilliant white, the whole space has been lifted to something lighter, brighter and very modern. At the front of the house there is this lovely bay window. The original had one very large opener, which we redesigned with small openers at the top for better ventilation. Engineered timber sills were fitted throughout the house, hand-painted by our professional decorators. Meanwhile, at the back, the old patio doors only half opened. We replaced these with Lorimer French doors which both open, connecting the inside and outside together. It really does make all the difference. If you're looking to take your dreams to reality, head over to our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more advice and inspiration for your home.